Hello guys, welcome to another video of whale trading, where we learn how institutions and entities move the market. Remember, a successful trader always ride the waves of these whales and become part of the smart money instead of resisting and confronting them and getting wrecked. When shifting to a new strategy, always remember to start low and test a few trades to see if it performs as good on your specific timeline, trading pair, and market before going big. In this video, I will be showing you an insanely profitable trading strategy with high profit margins. So let's begin. Let's start out with the basic indicators we will need for this strategy. Go to the indicators and add moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Let's understand this indicator a bit. The green and red candles on the indicator is called the histogram, and the point from where they emerge is called the zero line. When the histogram is below the zero line, it's red and is downwards. When it's above the zero line, it's green and upwards in direction. The blue line on the indicator is called the MACD line, and the orange line is called the signal line. That's all with the MACD indicator. I will be explaining later in this video how to use the components of MACD to take our position. Now on to our second indicator, that is the EMA line. We add it to our chart. And change the period of line to 200. We also change the color of line to white for better visibility. Now our chart will be looking something like this. That's all with the indicators for this setup. Now let's understand the rules of taking trades on this strategy. We can use this strategy to take both long and short positions. Rule number 1. To take long position, price has to be above the EMA line. Rule number 2. To take long position, MACD line and signal line, that is the blue and orange lines, has to be below the zero line. Or we can say these lines have to be below the point from where histogram emerge. Our trigger for entry will be the histogram. We take long position when the histogram turns green. Now let's take some trades on this setup. As we can see, all the conditions for long position are met. Price is above the EMA line. The MACD and signal lines are below the 0 point. And then we get our trigger, that is the histogram turns green. We open a long position here, keeping our stop loss below the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. As you can see, our profit target is hit. Now we move forward on the chart and hunt our next entry. As you can see, all the conditions are met again. So we open a long position here, keeping our stop loss below the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. Our profit target is hit again. Now we move further on the chart to take next entry. As you can see, all the conditions are met again. So we open a long position here, keeping our stop loss below the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. Our profit target is hit again. Now we move further on the chart to take next entry. As you can see, all the conditions are met again. So we open a long position here, keeping our stop loss below the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. Another win trade. That's how we take successful long positions on this strategy. Now let's understand the rules of taking short positions. To take short position, the price has to be below the EMA line. The MACD and signal lines have to be above the 0 point, and our trigger for entry will be histogram turning red. As you can see, these conditions are met, so we open short position, keeping our stop loss above the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. Our profit target is hit. Now let's move to another example of taking short positions. As you can see, these conditions are met, so we open short position, keeping our stop loss above the EMA line and targeting profit at 2 times the risk. Our profit target is hit. That's how we take successful short positions on this strategy. Remember, not every time take profit target will be hit. Sometimes you will be stopped out. There is no strategy with 100% hit target ratio. Key is to stay consistent to a trading setup, and in the long run it will be profitable. If you liked this strategy, and if it has helped you in taking successful trades, like, comment, and subscribe to let the algorithm know that you want to see more of new videos like this. Best of luck with your trading journey.